And you're gonna hear me roar!
Hello, students.
Who in the blue hell are you?
I'm your sub-teacher today, Mr. Bacon.
So, Stevie, where are you taking me for our first date? I thought we'd kick things off by going for a cheeky McFlurry. I don't really like McFlurries, though.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
Okay, everybody, I'm just gonna take the register.
Oh, this should be good.
Niamha.
It's pronounced Neve.
Lewis.
Yo, bro, it's Louis.
Isla.
It's Isla.
A. Laya.
Aaliyah.